Is your Ford Ranger key fob not working reliably? A dead or dying battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution. This video will guide you through the DIY process, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video is relevant for Ford Rangers from 2015-2025, including the latest models. Expect to spend just 5 to 10 minutes and only a few dollars. Carefully inspect your key fob for a small release button or seam, usually located on the back or side. Use a flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently pry open the casing. Apply even pressure along the seam. The key fob will split into two halves, revealing the internal components. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking the plastic clips. Once the fob is open, locate the old battery and carefully remove it from the compartment. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should be facing up in the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old battery. Important: do not touch the circuit board with bare hands to avoid transferring oils that could cause damage. Carefully reassemble the two halves of the key fob, ensuring they snap securely together. Test the key fob's functions: lock, unlock, and remote start if equipped. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the casing is fully closed. In most cases, the fob should work right away without reprogramming. If your key fob still isn't working after battery replacement, check for corrosion inside. Battery leakage often leaves white powdery residue on terminals. Clean gently with rubbing alcohol using a soft cloth, ensuring no excess liquid enters the fob. Next, verify that the battery terminals are making good contact. Bent or dirty contacts can prevent proper connection. Gently press the battery into place and ensure it sits flat without gaps. If you have a model with keyless entry, the fob may need resyncing. Insert the key in the ignition, turn to the on position without starting the engine, press any button on the fob, then turn off. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. Consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. If the fob still doesn't work after trying these steps, there could be a circuit board fault. This might show as burnt components, loose connections, or complete failure. In such cases, consult a professional technician for repair or replacement, as further DIY attempts could cause more damage. Expect a transition to digital keys and smartphone integration in future Ford Rangers. Apps like Ford Pass allow remote control through your phone, potentially replacing physical key fobs entirely. Looking at Ford's logo evolution over time shows how technology has advanced from basic keys to sophisticated digital systems. This progression hints at a future where physical batteries may become obsolete. Eco-friendly rechargeable CR2032 alternatives are emerging for sustainability, but their voltage stability and compatibility with Ford key fobs is not guaranteed by manufacturers. Stick to standard lithium batteries for reliability. While future vehicles may eliminate physical batteries, DIY battery replacement is still very relevant for current Ford Ranger models. Regular maintenance keeps your key fob working reliably. Keep your Ford Ranger up to date and running smoothly with a new key fob battery. Regular maintenance ensures reliable vehicle access and security.